Hi guys. So, I got this Xsense Photoelectric smoke detector. And it came in this really cool box. It's got a 3-year lifetime warranty. And let's see what it says. Red LED flashes every 40 seconds in monitoring status and flashes quickly when alarming. Over 85 decibel loud alarm sound. Built-in 9-volt battery offers 3-year lifetime. Can be easily installed at home or in your vehicle. Interesting. So, I went ahead, we're in the kitchen here. I went ahead and put the bracket up there already. And we're going to, you guys probably won't be able to see this, but I'm going to. Abby, when you open this, did you go ahead and activate it? So I need to do that. Yes. There's. So I went ahead and opened it, guys. Here's what it looks like inside. There's the battery compartment, and this is the front piece. It's not on the back like the other ones, but let me open this real quick because the battery's in plastic. We'll get it popped in. It's going to take me longer to open the battery than it is that it took me to install it. Okay, hopefully it won't go off and make a huge loud noise. Did I do it right? Yes. Alrighty. So, there we go. It's all back together. And it came with a full instruction booklet, all in English, and it tells you, like, your area where they suggest you put this, and you can see on the back those 3 clamps just line up with those. And I don't know if you can see here on the side, but you'll see when they line up. You'll feel it and see it. There we go. Oh. Nope, I don't want it on that one because then it's not straight. Okay. Alrighty, well, I guess it's, oh, I see. There we go. Straight. So, it's good to go and working, guys. House is now back to being protected. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, this is by Xsense. Bye-bye.